It is presumed that the LED professional photo and video light is much brighter than the conventional ring light. And that is why I decided to get a hold of this. I have an 18 inches ring light, but then I decided that in the quest to make the content creation of the thing more appealing, I had to get this professional photo and video LED light kit. So now, today, this is a ProLED 800 LED light. We are going to unbox and we're going to show you how this really works. Is it better than the ring light? Of course, this is the RGB professional photo and video LED light kits. Good for people who are into content creation. It will be appealing for people who are into makeup. That's makeup artists will really appreciate this one because it's going to accentuate their work and make it look much better. That's beside the point. This is the solar fan I got. I'm into mini importation and I get a lot of those things here and there. So I got this solar fan because I do a lot of poultry farming. So heat stress really affects a whole lot of birds these days. A lot of farmers are losing their birds because of heat stress. And that is why I decided to get this solar fan because of the epileptic power supply we have in this region. So I believe that this fan is going to help me if the birds are really stressed. I could, when there's no light, I could on this fan for them. It is really interesting how this fan works. The 4.5 acid lead battery inbuilt runs with oscillating speed of 1 to 3. So if you put it on the 3, it runs faster and could take you for up to 5 hours. If you run it on the speed level number 1, it could take you up to 12 hours. So that's beside this content for today. But today we want to tell you how, or let's just say unbox this ProLED light. So with unboxing, let's start proper. Where are we gonna open it from? Okay, so now we're just gonna take the items out one after the other. So in this kit we have the rechargeable battery. Of course, I went for this because still epileptic power supply. Sometimes there's no light, and the ring light may not be able to get me what I want, except the ring light that has access to a power bank. But of course, the light is not going to be very bright if you're using a ring light with a power bank. So we're looking for the absolute brightness. You can go for the LED light, and it comes with this a pair of the battery here. So the battery I got is a 7.4 volt 2400 mAh battery. There are higher capacity than this, but I just decided to get it because down here most times at least we'll have light at least for a period of 3 hours, so I wouldn't really be shooting more than 3 hours. So I decided to get this because this should be able to last me for a period of 3 hours shooting my content if there is no light at all. So this battery will work, and then it also comes with a remote control. It also comes with the traveling charger. This is where you're going to charge your battery. If your battery is low, you charge them accordingly. And here is the adjuster. So the adjuster is what you're going to put on the tripod. So you're going to fit in here on the tripod like this. This is what is going to help you to rotate the LED light to what direction you want to go, vertically, horizontally, whatever it is. So this is going to be here. If you just do this, you could adjust the your LED light either to the bend it to the side, bend it down. So you could virtually adjust it vertically. Okay. So there's no provision for you to adjust it horizontal. Okay, things just vertical, just the two directional stuff. And then what else do we have? It's the adapter. So when there is light, you can plug this adapter directly to your LED light. Of course, when you want to plug this to your LED light, make sure your battery are unplugged from the Pro light. So you only use the battery when you're not going to put it straight to a DC current, because I don't know if it charges the battery while it is still on, but I have not seen a manual that says so. So to be on the safe side, just take it off when you're using your adapter. Except if that is done, you can tell me in the comment section, but I feel you should just take off the battery when you are not using, when you're using a direct current. So this is the light itself. So aside from that, I did not see any manual in here, so there are no instructions as to how they're going to be used or okay. So caution, please switch off the power button before inserting or removing the power cable. Made in China. So battery check, 3200 key max, 5600 key max. I think this is all about the rotating or adjusting of the light here and there. So the LED light, applicable batteries, F series Lion batteries. Do not short circuit the battery positive and negative electrodes. Do not disassemble. Do not immerse in water or into the fire. Charge only with the specified charger. Okay, so those are the instructions given there. So you just have to open it this way. You open it this way, and then here you have your light. So let us see how we can just put it on and see how bright it is. So we're just going to put the battery on, light it. I'm going to close every access to lighting in this room and see how powerful this alone can light up the whole video. So that is basically what we're going to do for today. If there was light now, I would have compared it to the ring light, but maybe if you want us to do that comparison, you can drop it in the comment section that you want to see the comparison between this light and the, you know, the ring light. If you want us to do that comparison, so just let me know in the comment section, and then I could shoot a comparison video showing you how this is going to compare to the ring light. So I think I just inserted one battery and it's not owning. I think the both battery has to be in for it to work. So I have to insert the second battery, but then I'm putting off first. So this is how you insert the battery. Just slide it in. Just slide it in to make sure that it goes into the hook. You hear a click sound to show that it is plugged in. So I'm going to on. It is on now. Okay, so this is the light itself. I don't want to open it all entirely so that it will not just get into your eye. So the light is very bright, as you can see. Let me face it toward myself. And the next thing I'm going to do is to, mount it on the tripod. And wow, it's very bright. It's getting into my eye really obviously. So you could adjust to different colors. This is green, this is blue, this is red, blue, yellow, warm, pink, and all that. Okay. Wow, almost blind my eye. Shit. Okay, so all you need to do is mount it on your tripod, and then normal thing, make sure it's sturdy and strong so it won't fall off. So I could feel that it is steady. Now the battery indicator shows that I have 3 bar charge, so I still need to charge it a little more so I could have full bar. When there's light, I will do that. So okay, I'm going to close all the curtain and then make sure there's no access to light in this room, and then I'm going to open the the light to see how bright it can be. So I'm closing all my blinds. I'm closing all my blinds to reduce access to light in this room. You could see that everywhere is very dark. And now I am going to open the light to show you how bright this thing is. So I'm opening it gradually, one after the other. So you can see, sure you see how bright it is. Do you appreciate the light? So this is just the light alone doing everything. So you could see I had closed all the blind, everywhere was dark, but then I on the light and let there be light. So says the pro LED light. So this is where we bring today's content to a close. I will see you when we have something else to shoot. But if you have something of any question you'd like to ask, then drop it in the in this comment section rather. Tell us where you're watching from. This is content shot from Nigeria. Hope you love our fund. If you want us to compare these lights to the ring lights, we'll do that. And then again, I wanted to show you something, guys. I had been waiting for a very interesting device. It is the device I had really been waiting for. So this device I've been waiting for is a fryer. I had really been waiting for this. In this content, if you're a subscriber, which I believe you should do right now, because we're going to show you a lot how to use the air fryer. And like I told you, I have a poultry farm, so I'm going to test how you could grill chicken using this air fryer. I'm going to do a lot of things on this channel with this air fryer. So if it is something you would want to be enjoying, do well to subscribe to this channel now, because we will show you a lot of things to do with this air fryer. A lot of recipe will be shot on this channel. So I'll see you guys. Thanks and bye bye.